So what do we think the net effect of this is going to be overall? If AI, makes us all more productive, if AI can start taking away some of the junior programming work, do we see a lot more unicorns? Does it make it possible for one company to become worth like $1 trillion, or do we see like a long tail of lots of like unicorns started by much smaller teams?
And do we think the teams will even shrink? Because if we go back to predictions in the early 2000s, there were a lot of people who were predicting that as programming got more efficient, companies would be smaller. Because in the 90s, to build an internet startup, you had to build everything yourself. You had to have people who knew how to rack servers. You had to hire people who knew how to optimize databases. You had to hire like people to run payroll, and then all of that stuff got like turned into like SaaS services or infrastructure, or open source, and so like you could focus on just your core competency. And there were a lot of people who were predicting that this meant that companies would have fewer employees because they wouldn't need all those people that you needed in the
I
past.
remember racking servers, but I bet a lot of people watching this have never even stepped
Don't
foot in
don't
a
even know
data
what that
center.
phrase means.
Yeah, what is a what's a rack? Like, how does that even work?